Welcome to the Shop Relevant site, where you can browse and purchase all products offered by Relevant that are available online. For this video, we'll walk through the benefits of becoming a registered customer on the Shop Relevant site. Once you complete the account setup process, you can sign in and access all the features and benefits available to registered customers. From the top of the page, simply select Sign In. After signing in, you'll have access to your account dashboard, where you can view and manage your account information. This includes your address book, which stores your default billing and shipping addresses. You'll also be able to view your past orders. By selecting an order, you can review the details or place a quick reorder if needed. In addition, you can manage lists of frequently ordered products. These lists allow you to save commonly purchased items so you can easily reorder them in the future. Products you regularly use can also be saved to your favorites, giving you quick access whenever you need them. Your account also includes a quote section. If you've requested pricing for items without a listed price or for configurable products, you can view your submitted quotes here and complete the transaction directly through your account once the quote is approved. Under My Defaults, you can manage your preferred shipping settings, payment methods, and other account preferences. The customer dashboard provides an overview of your current and open orders, along with key order details. You can also access your account contacts, shipping addresses, and order history in one place. If you purchase using purchase orders, you'll be able to view your invoices, track payments, and review account shipments. Additional sections include RMAs and account SKU, which show regularly purchased items and provide access to tracking information. Finally, you can open the account menu at any time to see all available links in one place. This menu gives you quick access to your dashboard, orders, quotes, lists, favorites, and account settings, making it easy to navigate and manage your account. These features are just some of the benefits of becoming a registered customer. Registering gives you greater visibility into your orders, invoices, and shipments, along with the ability to reorder quickly and manage your account more efficiently. That wraps up our overview of the benefits of becoming a registered customer on the Shop Relevant site. Thank you for watching.